Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I'm here with a Kroger haul today, a quick Kroger haul. I didn't do an overabundance of shopping. This is just something basically to keep us through the week, although I have started my stockpile. These are just the everyday necessities. So let's see, the total was $96.96 and I saved $25.40 with my downloaded coupons. And also they had a couple of sales going on. So I have this watermelon here. It was $5.99 and this has seeds in it. And sometimes I don't like eating stuff with seeds and bones. I know it's more convenient and it's faster eating, but this is healthier with the seeds in it. And let's see. Roast. I got 3 roasts. Beef chuck under the blade steak roasts, and they were on sale. Real good price. This was $5.03. This one was 5 something. This one was 4 something. So I picked up 3 of those. You can have them just as a roast for dinner as your meat and then make sides, or you can make tacos out of this. Instead of using, steak, you can use this chuck roast meat and still have you some tacos that kind of mimic steak tacos. But yeah, these are delicious. I have turkey bacon. I want the Oscar Mayer, but I don't know if Oscar Mayer's not producing turkey bacon right now. I have not seen Oscar Mayer turkey bacon in a while. Y'all let me know if you know what's going on with Oscar Mayer. And I got 2 white breads. I got some bananas. Grapes were on sale for 97 cents a pound. I have some avocados. They were 2 for $1. 2 for $1. So if you like avocados, get to Kroger's. Have a lettuce here. And today is September the 10th. Today is September the 10th. So this sale should still be going on in your area too. I got this lettuce and I got, let me go back here. I don't want to miss anything. But these were on sale for, I think they were 88 cents. The Bluebonnet margarine. I know people use different things. I use butter and margarine. I have this butter here. It was $3.29, I believe. This butter, sweet salted cream butter, was $2.99. It's from a different brand, so I wanted to try it. I got some honey French dressing, the California honey French. I like to mix this with my Fuji apple dressing from Panera. It tastes so good together in my salad. I tried my salad the other day. I did not have this, y'all. I about lost it. I just had the Fuji apple. It was good, but it did not taste the same in my salad. I have to have everything the same each time. So, yeah, I have to have my little French going along with it. I got some maple brown sugar oatmeal, peaches and cream oatmeal. My husband likes both of those. I'm going to have to try to wean us out for this stuff, y'all. I know it's processed, and I try to go healthy here and there, and we'll have to do better because as we get older, it's not good for us. So a lot of times I don't even talk about it no more because people will hold you to it. When you say that you're trying to eat healthy, they'll make comments and stuff, and I'm like, I'm sorry, we are not perfect in this household. There's going to be stuff that we eat. We try to go healthy here, and y'all know how it is. But anyway, we're trying little by little. I got some milk. These were $2.49. I already have some, so I just got one. Got some apple juice. They're 2 for $3. And I got some distilled white vinegar. That's a good cleaning agent if you want to mix that with lemon and different things too. I have some ketchup. We ran out of that. Got some Bush's baked beans. These were $2. This is the brown sugar and hickory. I'm going to try making my own baked beans in my, what do you call that? Not the air fryer, but the pressure cooker. See if I can do it from dry beans, adding my seasonings and sauces. See what I come up with one day. Got 2 of the Hunt's pasta sauces, one traditional, one tomato basil. These are, I think they were 88 cents or $1. I think they were $1. Got some bacon bits to go on my salad. These cheeses, y'all, were 4 for $5. So they're $1.25 each. So that's a good, very good price for these. They're usually like $2.49, $2.79 or something like that, $2.99. So $1.25 is very good. Got some these Grands Southern Style Biscuits. Y'all, I love these. And Chris and Isaiah and Jalen, when she's here, love these too. These mimic the biscuits like from the restaurants and homemade biscuits. And sorry, my fingers are wet. This is starting to kind of not defrost, but you know, I need to get in the freezer. Cracker Barrel, you know, those kind of biscuits. These are so good. They're in the freezer section. Got some applesauce. These were two for $3. They were $1.50 each. Got some of these. I think these were like $1.29 or something like this. These are the real small tortillas. You can make little individual pieces out of that. I got cilantro. This was like 79 cents for the bag. Y'all know my cilantro is acting up out there, just acting cray. So I had to buy some. Got some antiperspirant deodorant for hubby. What's that? Yeah, antiperspirant deodorant. I got some salted peanuts with the sea salt. I still like to sometimes, if I get, you know, just where I can't help it with the chocolate, I like to make chocolate peanut clusters out of these with chocolate chips and then these. So good. Got these garbage bags. These are 99 cents a piece. These have not messed up on us, y'all. They're cheap, but they're sturdy enough where, you know, I don't want to pay the $4 and something for a box of these with the name brand. These are like 99 cents. They're 15 bags. They last a while. I got like 7, I think. Yeah, good buy. We use these all the time. I got some aluminum foil. This was, I think, $2.49 for 75 feet. I also got the garlic and pepper seasoning. This, because I was just looking for pepper, but this has garlic, sea salt, black pepper, red and green bell peppers, and then it says other natural flavors. So wanted to try that. And I got some iodized sea salt. And let's see, I just dropped some. Hold on. Okay, it was just a garbage bag. But yeah, that was my haul. I think I included everything. Oh, I got some cheese here. Cheese. I think this was like $1.99 for 16 slices. So I don't think that was on sale. And I got some lime juice, you all. And because sometimes my limes go bad, and if I don't use it up quick enough, so I got some lime juice, and I got a lemon. But yeah, it doesn't look like much for $90-something, and I don't think it is. I'm like, every time I need to look at my receipt, make sure everything matches up, and be counting as I go along. I haven't been doing that the past few times because I've just been rushing in, rushing out of Kroger's this month, y'all. But I got to get back on my grind. All right, I hope you all enjoyed the haul, and I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.